Welcome to another episode of Omnisend's Daily Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less, we'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing programs to make you better marketers. Now, yesterday, I talked about building a targeted click-based welcome series. Today, let's discuss the importance of adding SMS to your series. Now, last week, I discussed the importance of collecting mobile numbers on your pop-up. And now that you're collecting them, it's time to put them to use. For new subscribers who have chosen to receive text messages from your brand, it's important to introduce them to your text just like you do with your emails. Now, you may not need an entire set of text messages like you do with emails, but communicating via SMS is important. Now, a great way to start is to send a welcome text just like you do with a welcome email. If you offer an incentive for signing up, provide it in the text as well. This way, if the shopper wants to return to your store later, they have access to the promo code and link via whichever channel they prefer at that time. A simple text like, "Welcome to the XYZ community, here's 10% off your first order," may be all that's needed. Now, if you want to add a visual to the message, otherwise known as MMS, and I would in this case, you can use the same or similar images in your welcome email. Now, you may not need to add text message after each email in your welcome series, but a reminder text after the last message to non-purchasers may be a good way to recapture their interest. Now, adding SMS to your automated welcome workflow, super easy and takes only a minute or two. But the best part is that all channels are in the same workflow, which makes it even easier to manage. Who would have thought adding SMS to your welcome series could be so easy and yet so effective? And that's good news because in today's e-commerce landscape, SMS is a must. More on this later. Be sure to join me tomorrow where I'll discuss the number and timing of your welcome message and series. Thanks for tuning into this episode of your Marketing Tips series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. And until next time, happy marketing.